Everton tonight. What's your prediction for tonight's game?
Well, it depends. I mean, what a great question, because it absolutely depends on who we have playing. Because apparently, like, Cunha is out injured. But if Cunha is out injured, I still think he was slow against Spurs. But my prediction for tonight will be 2-0.
2-0, yeah?
Yeah, brother.
So as AFCON is coming up in 2 weeks' time or 3 weeks' time, we're losing all the players on the right side. Ahmed is going, Mazraoui is going, Brian
we were talking about earlier. Yeah,
so which players will you bring in to replace this place? Are you going to make new signings or are you going to maintain the players you have?
That's a beautiful question again, brother. You're very good, mate. You're very good question. All right, so I'll tell you. So basically, on that right-hand side, because it's all out, like Mbeumo, Ahmad, and also Mazraoui is gone. So Dalot comes in to do that, but Dalot's not doing a good job. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So Dalot goes out. Then in the middle, to replace Ahmad at least, it's gonna have to be like Mason Mount or someone, and then Xerxes goes up front, and then that's how it works.